Hi everyone, just thought I'd show you my recent attempts at making a concertina sketchbook. First time I've had a go at this. I thoroughly enjoyed it, I would say. I painted on one side of the paper. It was a large piece of watercolour paper. I painted on one side random colours, as you can see here, and then cut it into 3 strips and stuck them together. Then went in with a pen and it became a moorland landscape, and I just loved doing it. It was lovely. It reminded me of the time I lived up in Yorkshire, and very, very lovely. I thoroughly enjoyed doing it with all the little bits that just seemed to appear. You know, once I started looking at the shapes the ink had made, absolutely loved it. I'd certainly suggest you give it a go. On the other side of the sketchbook is just painted in black Indian ink, and it reminded me so much of a poem that I like. It's actually one of my favourites, so I'm going to read it. I don't usually do this sort of thing, but I just love this poem. They shut the road through the woods 70 years ago. Weather and rain have undone it again, and now you'd never know there was once a road through the woods before they planted the trees. It is underneath the coppice and heath and the thin anemones. Only the keeper sees that where the ring-dove broods and the badgers roll at ease, there was once a road through the woods. Yet, if you enter the woods on a summer evening late, when the night air cools on the trout-ringed pools, where the otter whistles his mate, they fear not men in the woods, because they see so few. You will hear the beat of a horse's feet, and the swish of a skirt in the dew, steadily cantering through the misty solitudes, as though they perfectly knew the old lost road through the woods. But there is no road through the woods. Yeah, thanks for taking the time to get this far. Hope you enjoyed it. It was something a little bit different for me, and yeah, well, take care, and see you again soon. Bye.